exercises. Open page number 43. Tick the correct answers. The A main. First one. Why did Father Wolf call Sher Khan a fool? Option A. Sher Khan was lame. Option B. Sher Khan made a lot of noise and scared away all the animals. Option C. Father Wolf did not like Sher Khan. Why the Father Wolf called Sher Khan a fool? Because Sher Khan made a lot of noise and scared all the other animals. The correct answer is option B. Tick it. Second one. What did Father Wolf find in the clearing? Option A wolf cub. Option B, Sher Khan. Option C, a naked baby. What the Father Wolf find? It is option C, a naked baby. Tick the second one, option C. Third one. What did the little naked man cub do when he saw the Father Wolf? Option A, he cried. Option B, he laughed. Option C, he ran away. ಆ ಫಾದರ್ ವುಲ್ಫ್ ಆ ಬೇಬಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಬೇಬಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಅತ್ತ ಅಥವಾ ನಗ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿ ನಗ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಫೇಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಫಾದರ್ ವುಲ್ಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಬೇಬಿ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಲಾಫ್ಡ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. Fourth one. What did Mother Wolf say when she saw the little naked man cub? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಮದರ್ ವುಲ್ಫ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತು? ಹೌ ಲಿಟಲ್, ಹೌ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಬ್ರೇವ್, ಐ ಶಾಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೌಗ್ಲಿ, ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್. ಸೊ ದ ಮದರ್ ವುಲ್ಫ್ ಕೆಫ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಅ ನೇಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೌಗ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಟಿಕ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. Fifth one. What did Sher Khan want? Option A, Sher Khan wanted any cub. Option B, Sher Khan wanted the man cub. Option C, Sher Khan wanted Mother Wolf. Sher Khan ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಗರ್. ಟೈಗರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಎನಿ ಕಬ್, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮರಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಅಥವಾ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಬ್. ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಬ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಗು ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಬ್, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಬ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಖಾನ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಮದರ್ ವುಲ್ಫ್. ಮದರ್ ವುಲ್ಫ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ? ನೋ. ದೆನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಬ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ. ಎಸ್. Okay, next B main, answer the following questions. Okay, so here they have given the 6 questions. I will send you the answers to your WhatsApp numbers. Okay, next coming to the vocabulary. List 5 animals in each animal home shown in the table. You need to list any 5 animals that you can write it. City, forest, ocean, desert, garden. So, shall I write it here? Yes, I will write it. Here they have given the 4 columns. City, forest, ocean, desert, next garden. Okay, so you need to write 5. In city, which animals you can see? You can see dog, cat, cow, buffalo, rat, yes, ox. Then in the forest, which animals you can see? Lion, tiger, wolf, bear, fox. In coming to the ocean, ಸಮುದ್ರದೊಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಸಮುದ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಹೆಸರು. ಸೊ ಶಾರ್ಕ್, ಶಾರ್ಕ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. ವೇಲ್, ತಿಮಿಂಗಲು, ತಿಮಿಂಗಲಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ವೇಲ್. ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಆಕ್ಟೋಪಸ್, then what? Starfish. Yes. Next, in the desert, which animals you can see? Camel, scorpion, snake. Camel is the sheep of the desert. Okay, so the first animal comes in the desert means that is camel. ಮರುಭೂಮಿಯ ಹಡಗು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ camel ಗೆಲ್ಲ. Yes, scorpion ಚೇಳು, snake ಹಾವು, next lizard ಹಲ್ಲಿ, and deer. Yes. Yes, the last one, garden. In the park, which animals you can see? Park ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು animals ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ? Butterfly ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. Yes. Butterfly, bee. Next, squirrel. Earthworm. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ and honeybee. So these are the animals, different types of animals you can see in the like different places. Almost you can see the insect in the garden. It may be ant, bees. Yes. Okay. Next, there is a language and grammar part. Before that, please write it this in your textbook. I will give you a 1 minute. Please write it. Finish this. Next, we'll start the grammar. Okay. Yes, written. Written this? Yes. Shall I repeat? Next, in the language and grammar part, page number 45. Okay. Write the opposites of the following words. That is in the language and grammar. Write the opposites. Write the headings neatly in your fair book. The first one, foolish. So, the opposite of foolish is wise. Second one, smooth. Hard. Third one, kind. Cruel. Fourth one, noisy. Silent. Deep. Shallow. Sixth one, brave, coward. Brave ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ, coward ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆದರುವುದು. Seventh one, bright. Dull. So bright ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಳೆಯೋದು, dull ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್. These opposites. Yes. Next, read the following sentences. First, the examples they have given. Krish and Yash are brothers. Rashmi is tall but Sheetal is short. Is the orange sweet or sour? Here, the words and, but, or are joining words. So ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಆಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಆಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಟೂ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇವನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೇಮ್, ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಎರಡು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. In the grammar part, these are what? Conjunctions. Yes, conjunctions means joining words are called conjunctions. They join together words, ideas and sentences. Whatever, if there are two sentences, these words can join that sentences and make it a one sentence. That we call it as the conjunctions. So the first one, here they have given the exercises related to this. Join and rewrite the sentences using the conjunctions and or but. First one, he studied hard. He did not do well. So here they have given two sentences. What you have to do? By using these conjunction, you need to make that sentence one sentence. Combine the sentence. He studied hard, but he did not do well. He studied hard, but he did not do well. So here, yes, I am using the conjunction but. Next, Mohan has invited me to dinner. I have accepted the invitation. So which conjunction you join here? Mohan has invited me to dinner and I have accepted the invitation. ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಡಿನ್ನರಿಗೆ ಕರೆದ್ರು, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Yes. I wanted to go. I could not make it. I wanted to go, but I could not make it. I wanted to go. The third one is I wanted to go, but I could not make it. I must be in capital only. I could not make it. Next, the fourth one. They will leave today, they will leave tomorrow. So, here which conjunction you can use? They will leave today, they will leave today. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. They will leave today, here or they will leave tomorrow. ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಿಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ನಾಳೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. They will leave tomorrow. Next, Rachana was going out to play. It rained. Rachana was going to play, but it rained. So here the conjunction I am using but. Rachana was going to play, but it rained. ಅವಳು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇದ್ಲು, ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈನ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, Sheila is my sister, Reena is my friend. So which conjunction you use here? Sheila is my sister and Reena is my friend. So and conjunction you need to use there. Yes, you will use it. Yes, please copy this neatly. The opposites and the conjunctions. Yes, and in the next, turn the page. There is a writing practice. Suppose you visit the wolf pack and spend one day with them. How would that day be? Write your experience in a 100-word paragraph. Suppose means ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನೀವು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ, wolf pack ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ wolves ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನವನ್ನ ಕಳಿತೀರಿ, ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ವಿತ್ ದೆಮ್. So how would day be? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೇ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So that you need to explain in your own words. Think that you are in a jungle staying with the wolf pack and spending one day with them. Yes. So how that day would be? Explain it. And there is a one activity is there. Read the Jungle books by Rudyard Kipling. Mowgli has many adventures with his jungle friends. Some of you may have read stories of Tarzan of the Apes. If you know any interesting stories of people living with the animals, tell them in a class. So what you need to do, read the Jungle book. Jungle book anta ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬುಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಓದ್ರಿ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The Jungle book ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್. There is a one movies also there. Please watch that movie. ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಏನದು ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಶೀಲಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾಡ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯರದೊಂದು ಮೂವಿನೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಚ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ಹೌ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್, how the life of animals you will come to know. And also the stories of Tarzan of the Apes. Tarzan, it is also one famous movie, Tarzan. Yes, so collect the stories like this. Okay, and here the exercise is completed. Please complete your Facebook. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.